Most website owners, when they want to go multilingual, hit the same wall. They get a quote from a professional translator, and the price alone makes them want to close the tab. So they look for an alternative. And what they find are tools that either cost a fortune or require a lot of technical setup, moving back and forth between interfaces. It's almost like you have to choose between expensive, complicated, or just not doing it at all. But here's the thing, going multilingual isn't just a nice to have, it can directly impact your growth. For example, if you are running an online store, you might be losing customers simply because your website is not available in their language. On the other hand, if you are a freelancer or agency, clients increasingly expect multilingual websites so they can better understand your services. If you are a content creator or blogger, translating your content can open it up to entirely new audiences. So now the question becomes, how do you do that without spending weeks on translations or breaking your budget? Hey there, I'm Carmen, and in this video I'm going to show you that there's a better option for translating your content, and you can have it up and running in less than 10 minutes. Not almost ready, not waiting on a translator, actually live. Let me show you how. But first, let's get to know the tool that makes all of this possible. So what makes TranslatePress so different? Before I show you the setup, I want to give you a quick look at what's actually happening under the hood, because once you understand it, you'll see why it solves all three of those problems at once. TranslatePress comes with its own built-in AI translation system called TranslatePress AI. It's designed to give you instant automatic translations at a fair price, high-quality results using multiple translation engines, and a simple setup using no API keys or third-party accounts. Let's see how it works. TranslatePress AI is an integrated automatic translation system that combines multiple neural machine translation engines into one solution. So instead of choosing different services, TranslatePress automatically selects the best engine for each language pair to give you the most accurate results. Then, once your content is first translated, it's saved in your own WordPress database, so it doesn't need to be translated again and again. That means that once the translations are live, your site's loading time or performance is not affected whatsoever. There are a few big advantages here. First, speed. You can translate your entire website almost instantly. At the same time, TranslatePress AI automatically detects and translates new content as your site grows. Second, accuracy. TranslatePress AI automatically detects the best translation engine for each particular case, which ensures the best possible accuracy for automatic translation. Third is simplicity. You don't need to create external accounts, manage API keys, or pay third-party service fees, as everything is built directly into the plugin. Here's how translation goes. When a page is visited in a different language for the first time, by yourself or another visitor, TranslatePress AI generates the translation in real time. Then that translation is stored and reused for future visits, so each piece of content is translated only once, which helps you save resources and keep things efficient. Now that you know the behind the scenes, let's set it all up. Let's jump into WordPress. Go to Plugins, Add New into your WordPress dashboard, search for TranslatePress and click Install. Then also click Activate. Right after activation, you'll be redirected to the Setup wizard. This helps you configure the basics. Here you'll see a few important settings. The default language, which is your current site language, and additional languages. This is where you add the language you want to translate into. For example, if your site is in English, you can add Spanish, German, or any other language really. With the free version of the plugin, you can add one additional language, while the Pro version unlocks unlimited languages. Next, you'll see the option to enable a floating language switcher. This is a simple drop-down that appears on your website and lets visitors switch between languages. You can enable it here with one click. Don't worry too much about design here, you can fully customize it later. For example, you can change its shape, color, borders, and even behavior from the TranslatePress settings area. You can also choose a different type of switcher, like a menu item or a shortcode. Now you'll reach the step where you can enable automatic translation. Here you have two options. If you already have a TranslatePress license, you can paste it here and activate it. Or if you don't have one yet, you can create a free license directly from this step. A free license will give you 2,000 words to translate automatically with TranslatePress AI, while the Pro licenses unlock much bigger packs of words and the possibility to top them up when you run out. Let's go through the free option. Fill out the dedicated form on the official website, and once that's done, your license will be automatically added. Next, you'll see the Add-ons section. This is where you can enable additional features depending on your plan, like the SEO Pack add-on, which lets you easily translate all SEO metadata, such as SEO titles, meta descriptions, or even URL slugs. The Navigation Based on Language add-on, which lets you restrict menu items for specific languages, or the Different Domain per Language add-on, to give you more flexibility on customizing your URL structure through subfolders or even subdomains. If you're using the free version, you won't see many options here, and that's completely fine. But if you're using a paid plan, you can enable the add-ons you need. Don't worry too much about this step for now. You can always come back and activate this later from the settings. Once that's done, go ahead and finish the setup wizard. And that's it. Your basic setup is now complete. And from here on, TranslatePress AI will automatically start translating your website into the languages you've selected. No API keys, no external accounts, no complicated setup. And if you navigate through your site, you'll see more pages already translated too, depending on the number of words included with your license. TranslatePress AI works based on translation words, so each word translated into a new language counts towards your quota. For example, a 1,000-word page that needs to be translated into 2 languages would mean 2,000 AI words. You already have these words included in your license, as you have probably seen, but you can always buy more from your account page if needed. And most importantly, translations are stored, so you don't need to spend credit for the same content. Now let's see it in action. Open any page on your website and switch between languages. You'll see that your content is already translated automatically. Everything is translated in seconds using TranslatePress AI, including menus and submenus, for example. My WooCommerce shop is already translated, including product titles, descriptions, and buttons. Apart from what's directly visible to you, TranslatePress also handles SEO translations in the background, as long as you have the SEO pack active. This includes image alt text, SEO titles, meta descriptions, and URL slugs. Even though AI is very accurate and doesn't need hand-holding along the way, you still have the option to tweak or edit any of the translations. Open any page and click Translate Page in the admin bar. Next, hover over any text and click the pencil icon near it. Now you can update the translation in the left panel. This gives you the best of both worlds, fast automatic translation and full menu control when needed. For example, maybe a brand name or phrase doesn't sound quite right. You can easily adjust it in the left panel. Or you can also review and edit SEO translations from the backend, which is especially useful for optimizing your pages for search engines in different languages. When you are done, make sure to click Save, and the changes will be live. And that's it! You now know how to use TranslatePress AI to automatically translate your WordPress site quickly, easily, and without extra setup. If you want to go multilingual without spending weeks on translations or breaking the bank, this is definitely worth trying. Now that your site is multilingual, you might want to decide what is the best URL structure for your website or how to customize the language switcher. I've covered both of these on the channel, so make sure to check them out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for even more WordPress translation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.